massive prosperity, high profile government job, talented work like talented footballer, talented cricketer, talented singer, maybe the business giant, maybe the creative person. In all the fields, strength is coming from the birth chart, Janma Kundali, or Navangsha, D9, or Chandra Kundali. It is not mandatory, always Jupiter very strong. As per our example charts, Jupiter is debilated in Capricorn sign. In our knowledge, this debilitation of Jupiter in Capricorn sign may be cancelled out by the Nich Bhanga Yog. Nich Bhanga Yog, so many categories are there. First is that Jupiter is debilitated in Capricorn sign and Saturn, the house lord, is posited therewith. So debilitation is cancelled. That Nich Bhanga Yog already we discussed in previous videos. Now today we are giving more emphasis on the significator house. If the debilitated planet posited in the significator house, it gives too much good results, more than anticipated. As for example, we are coming, suppose Jupiter in Capricorn ascendant, posited in Capricorn, first house, debilated. But owing to the first house directional strength of Jupiter, placement of Jupiter in first house, Jupiter gives so much strength to the native. So the placement is also important as the exaltation, debilitation or own sign. Second point is that when another planet on particular ascendant, suppose in Capricorn, the Mercury, Venus also a strong planet, Rajyogkari planet. Also in Bhargo, Mercury is the Rajyogkari planet other than Jupiter. So then other planets when makes Raj Yoga in the chart or make good conjunctions, that also give strength to the chart for enhancing finance, enhancing education, enhancing wealth, honor, rewards, all will be there. Now coming to the chart to make the point more clarity. The first chart to make the point more clarity, the placement of the planet. Suppose it is Capricorn sign, Jupiter is placed in first house, in fifth house or ninth house. Jupiter no doubt debilated here in 10 number Capricorn sign. But when the Jupiter is placed in first house or fifth house or ninth house, this is the Karak Ghar, significator house. The significator house gives the result. So result of the Jupiter, the native will get during his particular event, that means particular Mahadosha or Antardosha. So the placement is more important in the chart compared to the strength of the planet. Next point is that when the main planet Jupiter is debilated, then we have to check in particular Lagna which planet is next for making Raj Yogas or in conjunction may stay in the chart. As per it is, suppose it is Capricorn ascendant, then Venus and Mercury is a Rajyogkari planet, that to be checked properly. If it is Bhargo ascendant and fifth house debilated Jupiter is there, then also Mercury is a main planet for making Rajyogas. Now coming to the individual charts. Coming to the chart of great personality, Kiran Bedi, IPS officers, high-level government officers, possessing so much so many degree from different universities, a great intellectuals. Date of birth is 9th June 1949. Time of birth 1410, that is 2:10 p.m. Place of birth Amritsar. This is the birth chart of Kiran Bedi, the great IPS officers. Here the ascendant is Bhargo, Kunna Lagno. And zodiac sign, Rashi, it is Vrishchik Rashi, Scorpion sign. So, Kunna Lagno, Vrishchik Rashi, the main chart of Kiran Bedi. What happens in this chart? The fifth house of talent, Jupiter is posited in debilated sign, Capricorn sign. No doubt Jupiter is debilated. But Jupiter is placed in the fifth house. Fifth house, ninth house, first house, this is the Karak Ghar, significator house of Jupiter. So Jupiter gives the result not owing to debilitation, but due to the presence in the fifth house. So the native would get all the Karakatva effect of Jupiter present in the fifth house. Now, fifth house Jupiter is very strong. His fifth aspect coming to the ninth house of fortune. Seventh aspect coming to the 11th house of gain, success, and ninth house on the individual's personality. So that is there in case of Kiran Bedi. Not only that, in Bhargo ascendant, the ascendant lord is very important in every case. Here ascendant lord is Mercury. Mercury not only ascendant lord, it is the 10th house lord also. The first house lord and 10th house lord Mercury posited in 9th house in conjunction with Sun, making Buddhaditya Yoga, also with Mars. So this is a Raj Yoga, Mercury making a Raj Yoga. First house lord, 10th house lord is posited in 9th house. So Mercury is the signification of intelligence, signification of talent, signification of cleverity. So instantaneous intelligence comes from the Mercury. All are there with the Kiran Bedi. Owing to that effect of Mercury, Jupiter, Kiran Bedi become the great IPS officer. So many IPS officers is there, but Kiran Bedi is different. Owing to his different kind of birth chart, very strong. Chart of Sunil Gavaskar, the great cricketer of India and world. Date of birth 10th July 1949. Time of birth 2042. Place of birth Mumbai. This is the birth chart. Ascendant is Capricorn, Makar Lagna. Zodiac is Sagittarius, Dhanu Rashi. Dhanu Rashi, Makar Lagna. Great chart of Sunil Gavaskar. Here in the first house Jupiter in Capricorn sign debilated. But more important point is that Jupiter is placed in the Karak Ghar, significator house, first house, getting directional strength. Having fifth aspect on the house of talent, seventh aspect on the people, on the spouse, ninth aspect on his fortune. The ninth aspect of Jupiter is very important on Ketu, makes him a great intuitive players. Not only that, in this chart of Capricorn ascendant, ninth house lord is Mercury, Buddha. That ninth house lord, the lord of fortune, posited in sixth house in his own sign, Gemini sign, making Buddhaditya Yoga. Buddha and Aditya Yoga. Sun and Buddha is very strong in Gemini sign. Sun is the talent, energy, vitality. Mercury is the intelligence. All are very strong in this chart, though Jupiter is debilated. Not only that, the fifth aspect of Jupiter coming to the house of talent. Here Mars is posited. Mars signifies sports, athletics, cricket, football. So he is the great ticketer. Mars represents that. Mars aspecting the house of success, 11th house. So this is the great chart. Though Jupiter is debilated, but Jupiter is very strong in this chart.